Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, I have a very interesting video to share with you guys today. It's slightly very different. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a sneak peek of some of the calls that I've done on the Patreon and why you should consider being a Patreon member. There's only 5 spots left at $30. The reason for is because the market's about to heat up. And if you're in this by yourself, you're going to be trying to jump and catch every coins that's pumping. And that could literally make you lose a lot of money because as you're jumping, that coin may be correcting. And then you're trying to jump into another one that's correcting. And you're missing out them before they explode. And this is why we have a community. This is why I have my patrons. And this is why we're like a family now. And you can join our team, join our group, and learn. So I believe that you can fish for someone or you can teach someone how to fish. So this is what I do with this Patreon group, and I wanted to share some of these calls with you guys just so you guys can get an idea and see that membership fee is actually nothing compared to the gains that you will make when you join. And like I said, there's only 5 spots left, and then after I'm done sharing all of these, I'm going to be touching into the market real quick. And if you appreciate that I do this, and if you appreciate that I take my time to do this, you know what to do. First, guys, I want to touch upon Elon. I posted this on October 13th and said, Elon, OG patrons, remember the crazy gains we made with Elon because we rode this last literally parabolic run. This is a super risky trade. Elon may go parabolic and follow ship. We are over the 200 EMA, had a golden cross. It's been dormant for months and it's not waking up. If we reach the previous all-time high, this would be about 1,300% gains. So, and if you've been following Elon, you know what Elon is at right now. And I'm going to be showing you guys after all of these coins that I've called and how they've played out. All right. So this is one. The second one is Illuvium. Illuvium, basically, it's something I've really been into right now. I've been really researching it, and they have their gameplay trailer coming out on the 30th. But when Elon was at 629, I posted this signal, told everyone a lot of hype about this project. Play to earn gaming is the future. And basically, this thing's under 500 million market cap, super undervalued. I'm sharing this setup because Illuvium found support as previous resistance and broke downtrend. On the left chart, we can see it's forming a bullish MACD cross in RSI and it's trending higher. On the right chart, we broke the 50 EMA, which may soon push price higher. Please research this long potential hold because this should be a long hold. The reason I'm showing you this is so you can understand how I actually share these signals and how I actually break down why I believe these things are going to pump. And just remember, I shared this with my Patreon at 629, and this is currently about to trade at $900. And I'm going to show you guys in these other charts. Next is 1inch. On October 20th, guys, on October 20th, I posted this. I'm saying 1inch on the left chart broke against BTC, which we can see has caused it to explode against USDC. Next strong resistance for 1inch is $5. Hopefully, we break this quickly and accelerate to all-time high of $7.50. And understand we could pull back to 3. So look what happened. This thing literally exploded. Literally exploded. On the left, you have what against BTC, and on the right, you have against USD. This thing literally ran all the way up to its previous all-time high of $7.50. All right. I just wanted to share this with you guys, and now let's take a look at these coins, how they're performing now. But this was just so you guys can see a little bit about what we do in this Patreon group. If you're interested, we literally will hold your hand and guide you through this process. A lot of people in my group are very new into crypto, and I've been able to help them literally understand this space and how to make profits in this. Now, let's take a look at these coins that we talked about. So we have 1inch here that basically had a round bottom like we talked about. And I've been literally giving you guys 1inch on this channel for many times. If you look at some of my past videos, I was literally advocating this is one of the coins you need to hold, especially if government starts to crack down on crypto and so on. And because this is a decentralized DEX aggregator and it takes all the best prices from Uniswap and a lot of different swap, and it's also interoperable with multiple different chains such as Polygon and Binance Smart Chain. What you need to see here is this round bottom here falling wedge, broke above falling wedge. Look how it's following this 200 EMA. And right there, we had another golden cross, which is, if let me pull this up real quick. And you can see as soon as this happened, it kind of like signaled right here, we're about to take off. We had a golden cross right here on the 4 hour, and boom. So we've been buying this a lot on the Patreon group, but this was literally a quick 157% that we did very, very quickly. And this was a nice move. Well, if you are holding 1 inch, I want to share you guys what I'm looking at for 1 inch. One of this big move is due to 1 inch being added on the South Korean exchange. You know that South Korea cracked down on crypto way back, and there's only very few exchanges that are now allowed to trade crypto. What we're seeing here is this thing could potentially come back and pull back to 420, and that would be actually very healthy. But what we're seeing is it's actually holding very strong at this past resistance, which is now future support, and we still have not seen a bearish cross on the MACD, and the RSI is currently not yet, still it's not overbought. So we could see another run on 1 inch. I am not advising to jump ape end on this. This is a great project. You should have been accumulating all these times that I've mentioned it in the past, all the way down here. But I do believe that 1 inch will be one of the top dexes in the crypto space, and I have a lot of hope. This is one of my favorite coins, and I'm really excited for this. Next up, we need to also discuss about Elon. Elon that I've shared and why Elon is blowing. Obviously, you know that meme coins are taking off right now. And you can see here that literally this thing has been dormant, and this is why I called it. Another reason is we had that golden cross. So me and my Patreon, we got into Elon right here. And literally in about couple days, Elon gave us about 374% gains. We're still holding because we definitely had a continuation pattern here. Elon is now facing this next level of resistance here. If we break this level, the next level we will be seeing will be right up here, and that's going to be about 648% gains for us. And if we do reach that previous all-time high, like I shared, will be about 1,200%, which is very exciting for Elon. Keep in mind, I do not advise any of you to invest in anything. And I don't recommend buying Elon if you don't know what you're doing. As you can see, this is really a very volatile coin. These are meme coins, and they're very risky. You're going to get a lot of people start FOMOing at the top, and then they're going to get dumped on. So this is something to keep in mind. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to lose a lot of money buying SHIB. And you do need to mention SHIB because SHIB has been going parabolic, and everybody's talking about SHIB, but nobody is talking about the risks. So let me just bring up SHIB, for example. We can see SHIB right here, literally went parabolic. This thing, this is Elon's like somewhere around here right now compared to SHIB, and continues to rally. But right now, guys, look, it's very, very, very careful with SHIB. I believe as soon as SHIB hits, it's extremely overbought. As soon as SHIB hits the top 5, I think people are going to dump this. So this is something to keep in mind. But in the talk of SHIB, we also do need to talk about Dogecoin, because I do think Dogecoin is going to have a move. I'm not going to be calling it on this channel right now, just because I do think you can see the market cap dominance of Doge is rising. I do think these are much more riskier assets. They just move based on what Elon Musk says and have no strong fundamentals behind them. So, but we did see a nice breakout from Dogecoin right now. But guys, let's just get back to some of these. Illuvium, which basically us Patreons, we got in right down here. Illuvium already is up about 45%. I believe this coin is actually going to go much higher. I can see Illuvium being a $2,000, $3,000 coin. The reason for is if you've seen how Axie Infinity has performed. Okay, Axie Infinity. Actually, here you go. If you know how Axie Infinity has performed, this thing did about like 4,000%. 4,000%. If you count it starting like June of this year, this is absolutely insane. So this is extremely crazy, and this is play to earn. And I believe that Illuvium is actually going to be more fun and looks already much better than Axie Infinity. So I do see in the market cap's like 500 million. So I think it has a lot of upside to go. And this is definitely something to keep an eye on, okay? I'm not telling you to buy Illuvium. Definitely do your research. I've done a lot of my research, and I'm only advise this to my Patreons, and I'm showing this to you guys now. All right, so I just wanted to make this quick video to share with you guys some things that has been literally pumping. Obviously, you know, some what I've been sharing on this channel have also been pumping, but these are some coins that I have not shared with you guys, and I did want to make you guys aware that these are some coins that I'm trading. Illuvium, I am so excited for this thing. I'm very, very excited for this thing. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I've literally been still, even though I bought majority down here, I'm still been accumulating on every rise, just because I do know this thing is literally gonna go crazy. And right now, as you can see from this chart, we broke above this wedge. That means we're about to start rallying and go parabolic, and we had this bullish MACD cross. Look how we're entering this overbought territory, and we have a strong, very, very, very strong buy down here as well. So very excited for this, guys. I hope you guys appreciate that I share this with you. And if you have not yet, consider becoming a Patreon. Join the family. There's only literally like 5 spots left for the Gorilla Pack. The Gorilla Pack is the same as the VIP Bulls. The VIP Bulls are just more OG. They've been some of my first Patreons. And if you want someone to literally hold your hand throughout this whole process, help you get started, definitely consider the Wolf Pack. Once this is fully done, I'm going to be closing this out and not allowing anyone else on the Gorilla Pack. And the price will go up per month and on the new one that I'm going to be opening. And also keep in mind that if you do pay for the whole year, you do get a 15% off. So that's also something to consider. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. I'm going to try to shoot a second video today to share with you guys what I see in the market right now and some other coins that I think you guys should be aware of and keep on your radar. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, you know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe, share my video, and so on. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's staying safe, and most importantly, future-proof.